To use Apple Card cashback, it is essential to understand how the system works. The Apple Card offers a cashback program that rewards users for making purchases with their card. The cashback is provided in the form of daily cash, which is a percentage of the purchase amount that is credited back to the user's Apple Cash account. First, you need to have an Apple Card and an Apple Cash account set up. You can apply for the Apple Card through the Wallet app on your iPhone. Once you have the card, you can start making purchases and earning cash back. The Apple Card cashback program offers different percentages of cash back for various types of purchases. You can earn 3% cash back on purchases made directly with Apple, 2% cash back on purchases made using Apple Pay, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. To earn cash back, simply use your Apple Card to make a purchase. The cash back will be credited to your Apple Cash account at the end of each day. You can then use the cash in your Apple Cash account to make purchases, pay bills, or transfer it to your bank account. It is also important to note that there are no limits on the amount of cashback you can earn, and there are no rotating categories or spending limits. The cashback is also earned on all purchases, including those made online or in store. To get the most out of the Apple Card cashback program, it is essential to use your Apple Card for all your purchases. You can also set up Apple Pay on your iPhone, Apple Watch, or Mac to make it easy to use your Apple Card for online and in-store purchases. In addition, you can track your cashback earnings and purchases through the Wallet app on your iPhone. The app provides a detailed breakdown of your purchases and cashback earnings, making it easy to stay on top of your finances. Overall, the Apple Card cashback program is a great way to earn rewards on your purchases. By understanding how the program works and using your Apple Card for all your purchases, you can maximize your cashback earnings and make the most out of your Apple Card.